Yo, what up YouTube, it's your boy AM coming to you with another unboxing video. This time I went bargain hunting and I got this bungee, mouse bungee, what is it? I mean it's real reflective and I can't even see. But in the camera it's the mouse bungee and I got this on sale. So we're gonna see what's inside and maybe it's worth it to pick up in the bargain bin, who knows? Stay tuned. Alright, so I got my trusty handy knife ready to unbox any type of package or gear or whatever we got. So there's the blade, super sharp. Shout out to my cousin for giving me that knife. It is really sharp. There's that. So what we'll be unboxing today is this Razer Mouse Bungee. So to give you a little bit more backstory about this thing, I picked this up in the bargain bin. You can see the clearance tag. Can you? It glares bad on this. There it is, the clearance tag. So it was originally $19.99. People thought it wasn't worth that much, so they dropped it down to $19.96. And then people didn't think it was worth that much, so they dropped it down even more to $13.98. And then people still didn't think that was worth it, so they dropped it all the way down to $5.98. So they're like, screw that, we're just gonna get rid of this product and put it out there right away. Sorry about the bad glare. There we go. Let me take this light out of the way. So right here we have a clearance tag. So I picked this up at Target. It was in the bargain bin. I was looking for like a mouse thing to like keep my cord under wraps. I was googling the crap out of it, and then I ended up finding this bad boy, which came in super handy because I really needed to have something to like manage my cord with. Anyways, so we have it here. We have the top of the package. I don't know if they even make this anymore, but what it says is tilt spring arm and head grip, and then it says way base for stability and anti-slip feet. So this is made by Razer. I don't think it's made by them I don't think that's on their product line anymore. So it gives you specifications on the back and all the different languages, shows you all the cool features. We have the cool head grip, anti-slip feet, little spring structure right there, you know, all that good stuff, and it shows you how to like attach it on there. And I bet at one point people were like in the market to get these things and no longer like in fashion, so I picked one up. So this is my unboxing of this little spring thing. So I just opened the bottom of it. That's pretty quick. Packaging doesn't feel like premium at all. It feels kind of like really cheap. But this is what it is, so it's pretty easy of an unboxing. Looks like this sucker is taped down, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop it out and then try to untape it. There we go. So that's basically it. There's that, and then there's the device. So what we have here is the anti-slip feet. Ooh. The little weighted base, and then a little bungee thing. So what you gotta do is you gotta put your mouse cord in here, do it to a predetermined length, and then you would just use your little mouse, and it keeps the cord under control as such. And then if you need to like do some crazy movements, the bungee will like move around and help you keep the cord managed. So that's basically what it is. Oh man, my camera is like falling down. Hold on, let me just get a second to get it fixed. That. Okay, let's fix this one stuff. There we go. Good as new. A little technical difficulties. There's the sweet knife right there. Little bungee cord. So that's what happens, and then you put it in there, and then you can use it. I mean, for $5, I don't think it was a bad purchase. I want to try it out to see if it works. If it sucks, I could just, you know, give it to somebody. It only cost me $5. No biggie. But yeah, I think it'd be pretty cool. Only if it had RGB lights, it'd be kind of sweet. But then you gotta plug it into your computer. But alright, so this is my mouse right here. I have the bungee set up. Usually you want the mouse to extend all the way to the surface area
and then have it bend down. So that's just basically the mouse bungee, how it looks all set up. Pretty cool. I dig it.
Whatevs. That is the unboxing of the Razer Mouse Bungee. Picked up from the bargain bin. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that smash button. Tickle it. Just tickle a little bit. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, please. And then leave a comment below whether or not you picked up one of these things, or if you don't like it, or if you think it's like a cheap product, whatever. Just let me know. Hit me up in that comment section. And, if you want to talk trash, you can. But just warn you, I got the quick wit, so I'll come back with some pretty slick disses. Alright, peace.